Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a sandwich in the air fryer. I was really craving something Mediterranean but didn't want my face to blow up from the high sodium. So I said, let's make a pita sandwich in the air fryer. Here's an overview of everything you need. I finally figured out how to insert a shopping list in the video, so I'll show it in a bit. I know, I'm getting fancy guys. The star of the show will definitely be these Mediterranean chicken burgers from Aldi, located in the freezer section. These are so freaking good, and the ingredients are good as well. Nothing that I can't pronounce. Go ahead and pause your video here to take a screenshot of our shopping list. This is an optional step, but I like to add additional seasonings to my frozen burgers. I find that it really helps give it extra flavor. When you're done, go ahead and bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. No need to flip. Go ahead and set your burgers to the side once they're done. From there, you'll want to cut your pita into fours. Go ahead and bake it at 350 degrees for 2 minutes. They'll come out nice and crispy at the 2-minute mark. If you want them a little bit softer, cook them for 1 minute. Be careful when you're taking them out because they're hot AF, as you can see my hasty hands. Go ahead and get your tzatziki, feta, and hummus ready. I liked the tzatziki sauce, and in particular that hummus that you saw. Go ahead and spread it. I find it easier to stick the feta cheese on after the sauce and hummus are down. I wanted to add spinach, but that's optional. Add your burger. And there you have it, friends. An air-fried pita sandwich. As my side today, I decided to do the sweet potato waffle fries. I picked those up from Whole Foods as well. Y'all, I'm not joking when I say this, but this pita sandwich truly is delicious. The sandwich itself took about 12 minutes to make, and that's only because we had to cook the burger for 10 and then the pita for 2. If you wanted to do a side of waffle fries, I cooked mine for 10 minutes at 350 degrees, but you can use whatever side you like. Please let me know down in the comments if y'all end up making this and if there's anything additional that you added. Also let me know in the comments if there's anything you like to see next from me. So until next time, friends, have a good one.